Hey, it's Dennis from Postcard Travel Planet coming to you from the beautiful Celebrity Beyond, and we have
Kaziah from Kenya.
Kaziah from Kenya.
Yes.
And we're going to do the drink of the week for Postcard Travel. What do we got today?
You're doing what I do a Mai-Thai.
It's a Mai-Thai.
Mai-Thai. Mai-Thai has rum, amaretto, rum on top, and pineapple juice.
Beautiful. And this is Celebrity Beyond style, Kenya style. Let's go. All right, so Bacardi first.
Bacardi.
Is that an ounce and a half?
Yeah, yeah, an ounce and a half. Amaretto.
Beautiful. That's amaretto.
Yeah, that's amaretto.
And then we've
We're
got
gonna have some pineapple juice.
pineapple juice.
Yeah.
Shaken.
Yes, chicken. 2 ounce.
There's Kennedy. Amazing staff here on Celebrity Beyond, for sure.
Medication time.
Yes, medication time.
Then you're gonna shake it.
Shake it. We love the shake.
You're gonna have to shake.
She has the best smile. So when you come to Celebrity Beyond, bring your tip money because they don't work for free. Celebrity pays, but they don't pay that good, right, Kennedy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. All right, this is looking good already. And what do we got here?
Then you're gonna put a floater of Maya's rum on top.
Floater of Myers rum. There we have it. Oh, looks good.
You garnish it. Some cherries.
Kaziah. Absolutely amazing.
Serve with a smile.
Hold it up one more time. I get that picture. Nice. Good job. All right, there we go. We got the Mai-Thai Celebrity Beyond style, Kenya style.
Yes.
Enjoy it.
Smiling.
Thank you very
Yay.
much. Appreciate you guys so much.
You're welcome.
Remember, we are Postcard Travel Planet coming to you from the Celebrity Beyond. Join us on Facebook Live every Wednesday night for Islands Wednesday, 7 p.m. for the latest travel news from around the world. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.